Dekra, digital claims processing for insurers, fleet operators, and fleet customers. Fast and accurate damage registration saves time and money. Our digital claims processing helps you to quickly generate a complete damage report. Discover the secure and efficient telematics solution. We combine telematics data with AI and big data. Even without telematics data, our practical dynamic questionnaire offers fast and accurate damage registration. This can also be provided in customer self-service. Our digital solution can immediately generate an initial report using telematics data. Whether using the dynamic questionnaire or telematics data, you get a direct forecast of repair costs. Forecasts are based on thousands of completed Dekra claims and are calculated using AI methods. Tailor the processes to suit your individual needs with a variety of modules. Triaging, telechecks in which our experts evaluate the damage, telereports which include a full-line calculation, as well as appraisal reports which include a fully comprehensive on-site damage assessment of the vehicle. You benefit from fast claims processing, customer-oriented processes, optimized digital end-to-end claims handling, and recommended course of action for each individual claim. Take advantage of our expertise and experience in every step of your claims process. Dekra, on the safe side.